I painted inside and we got some water damage. So basically we had a wall that had bulged out here. I don't know if we can see it very good, but there was a wall that was bulged out. So what I've done is I've taken it and I've screwed it back in, put a coat of cornice cement and taped it. So then we'll wait for that to dry, and then we'll put another 2 coats of plaster over that one. And we've got the timber, the frames and that were swollen. So we've cut them out and we've filled them with liquid nails. And we had paint bubbling here. So we've filled that all the way up here. So the water's come down through here, bubbled all that there. So I've cut that back out, plastered it. All this frame, it must have been running down this frame. So that's been liquid nailed in. And we've got a water stain that's all the way through here. So then what I've done, it run down here and it bubbled all the paint there. So I've cut that out. And then I've done some plastering there. So that'll have to dry. And then we'll put another coat on that of the base coat. And there's all the stuff that I've taken out. So quite a reasonable job. The insurance is $1,000 excess, so I can do this for under $1,000, probably about 5 hours to do this here. And then we'll use the touch-up paints, repaint all this, repaint that ceiling. So that'll have to have an oil-based undercoat or a spray, which I'll organise shortly, and get a coat of that on there. And this one will have to have 3 coats plus this whole wall painted. So we've got a full wall, we've got some mould happening down there. So then we'll just paint over that, give that a wash with some bleach and paint over it. Basically go back up. There is some water damage in that corner as well, right in there. So there's some water damage there. It all sounds pretty good down there. It's not drummy at all. So we'll just do some water, some undercoat there or some stain sealer there. And then we'll touch that ceiling up there. So that's where we're at. And you can see all the amount of crap that's come off here, quite a lot. But I think that was all we had to do here. Plaster another coat on it. And then once that dries, we'll put another topping over the top. Might even go to that end of the wall, see what happens. And then let that dry. Then come back, give it a light sand down, and then she'll be right to paint. We've also done these, another coat on them. I had the cornice cement on them. Same thing. All the cornice has been oil-based undercoated with Zinsca stain sealer, quick dry.